Hello, this is David from Sensofar. In this video, we will see how our unroll feature works in SensoScan 5-axis. Here we are in the merge window after an acquisition, in this case of a tooling sample that you can see over here. To access the unroll capability, you have to click on this icon on the Elements panel. And here the unroll window pops up. You have here some fitting options to fit a cylindrical shape into this part. So then you can click on fit and you obtain the unroll of this image. It shows a message showing that this is not a perfect cylinder. And here you have the topography. This is a topography that we can save as a standard flux file. And here you have some information about the radius of the part and some dimensions. So if we save this unroll over here, we save it as a flux file and we can open with SensoView, SensoMap or SensoPro. Let me open now with SensoView in this case. And here you have it, all the topography unfolded. And for example, we can take some profiles over this topography here. And in this case, we could measure, for example, the pitch of the tool. So it is 255 microns. So I hope this information is helpful for you. So thank you very much and have a nice day.